Alrighty, that'll probably work. So let's give it some gas here just a little bit. So this is turn 1. We'll be looking for the cones, turning down, coming down to the inside curve.
Did you get it?
Not yet. This is a straightaway. I promise you there's a road on the backside. Up and over and straight. You can go. Turn 2, slowest corner on the whole track. It's going to drop down to about 20 miles an hour. Where the curve ends, we're going to come across to the inside. There you go.
They said this brake is heavy, huh?
You just gotta use force.
Okay.
There you go. Go and bring it across. Back to the left. Add a little power. On this side, we're going to let a guy by real quick. I want you to let forward. I want you to lift for just a second. Go. it so you can kind of launch the car. Keep going, we're blind. You gotta get out of the blind spot. Alright. Now, just idle here for a second. We'll let you launch this thing one more time. Alright, turn in.
Nope.
Get it squared off. We gotta pit in, but you can launch it one more time. Get it.